Hey guys, Spark160 here back with another video. Today I am going to be playing Gigabit off-road, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I need 5 subscribes and 5 likes for this video. Now I just got this app, so hopefully it'll work, and let's play Gigabit. I have 3 bug bites and they hurt. If you guys hear stuff in the background, sorry, I do not have anything to... Oh, gotta click it. Alright, let's get started. Now I just have to log into Gigabit. Or not log in, but get into it. And I hope you guys like my truck, and that deserves 1 like, or 2 likes. And the rest of the likes just deserves for me playing this game for you guys. And installing another app. Now in the next video, which is probably going to still be today, I know you guys can't see my face. It's because it's like a screen cam, but I can have audio on, so you guys can hear me. I found that out. I made a video and see if you guys can hear me, and I heard it, and it did, and it was only like 3 seconds long, but it still worked. So now I'm not going to show you guys the truck yet until we get logged into the world, and here we are at the top of a hill. Okay, let's go down the hill. Alright, be amazed by this beautiful truck. Big wheels. Look at these tires when they spin. Or the wheels. Pretty cool. Now look at the front. Not too shabby, it's a Chevy, and I love Chevys. Now look at the bottom. Not a bad looking truck. I still need a couple $1,000 to upgrade it the way I want it to look. It's going to have roll cages, light bars, KCs on it. And this is from the truck point of view. Now if I quit, now watch. If I go to shocks and everything, look. Everything's maxed out, 100. Well, I should actually put those down to 10. Because that can't be that, or it won't. Now look, it flexes like super good. Now if I take that back off. And look, see, 10, 10. I don't use the other axles because they cost too much. But yeah. And this is the only car I have. Go tell Mom.
It's okay.
No, go tell Mom.
No, it's okay.
And see, everything's maxed out. 10 wheels, 10 wheel size, 10 tire size, 10 tire width. You guys want to see something stupid? Look at that. Totally stupid. I can run it like that. Or I can run it... No. Or I can run it like that. See, there's no money bar. And I actually can wind that back up. And I can run it like that, which I won't. I like my monster truck the way it is, like that. See, this is a great mud truck. Now, I just need... If you guys give me 5 likes and 5 subscribes, I will buy this world, this world, this world, and this world. Yes, I will get the 70,000, 105, $135,000, and I'll buy this world at first, and this world, then this world, then this, okay, then this world, and only if there was another world, but the only world I have right now is this one. And alright, so see, look, I'll even prove it. See, nothing. When I first uploaded this, I didn't know how to play it, and I seen that I had 30,000, so I looked at all the cars I got for 30, and I found this one, because this one went to 35, I think. see.
You're sleeping in your own room. If I gotta deal with your whining and crying shit, I'm giving you a whooping that you're not gonna forget. No,
See,
absolutely not.
I can get that. But the truck I really want the most is
Move.
this truck
That is
right
cool. Go
here.
check on the pool. See how cool the pool is.
Oh yeah, let's go check on her pool.
Look at that. I want that so I can get.
God damn it, man.
Shit outside, did she?
No.
That's why.
Starting to piss me off.
She shit in our room yesterday. So she shit in our room yesterday and she was taken out.
Alright, guys, I'm up in my room now. Nice and quiet. Lay down and play some of this. And I'm not sure how many. What? Yes. Hang on, guys. Hang on. Never mind, guys. I don't have to do it. In the next video, you will see me in a new world and with a different. And the truck will be upgraded more. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.